Tool guy here. I want to give you an update on the main bathroom. It's coming along pretty good. I'm about to start putting stuff together. So here we are. Got all new floor joists in. Had to end up moving them around for the toilet or for the tub drain. One of them was right in the way. Also got all the plumbing. You can see the plumbing is ready to go. Got that done by the plumbers. They came in and fixed the toilet drain too. So moved it over in a better spot. It was lined up with that vent stack there, which was too close to the sink where it was going to go. So they came in and cut out some of that cast iron and put a new drain in there, so it's good to go. So anyway, it's time for some floor to go in. I'll be using good stuff here. PL Premium will be on top of the joists, and 2 3/8 inch ring shank nails will attach it. So I'm gonna get at it. I don't have a lot of time. All done. Subfloor's in. Yay. Turned out pretty good. Now, of course, I want to save this for next time. So clean off the nozzle thingy, and watch this. This is what I use to save the